तो भाई जैसी मैंने कमिटमेंट दी थी कल लाइव सेशन में कि भाई पूरी रात बैठ के व्लॉग खत्म करेंगे, तो पूरी रात बैठ के व्लॉग खत्म हुआ है। सुबह के 5 बजने और व्लॉग बिल्कुल तैयार हो चुका है फिलहाल। सो थोड़ी देर में इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे, बस उससे पहले एक बढ़िया से ना चाय बनाते हैं। तो देख लो यार, पूरी रात काम चला है, बढ़िया वाला मस्त बिल्कुल काम चला है। और इतनी बड़ी स्क्रीन पे इसलिए चला है क्योंकि भाई गरीबी इतनी है कि स्क्रीन खराब हो गई है लैपटॉप की और नहीं है पैसा, तो क्या कर सकते हैं, कर रहे हैं जुगाड़।
साले
What's up, B? What's up, people? I hope you're good. I hope you're safe. I hope you're having a great day. My name is Bhanu Pratap Singh. और भाई देखो, आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ, सूर्यवंशम से मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है, हमारा दोनों का कोई दूर दूर तक रिश्ता नहीं है। So here I'm back on my channel, Brothers on Road, with the much awaited South Vlog Part 3. This vlog has the best of South India till now. This vlog has some beautiful roads, some mesmerizing sunsets, some amazing waterfalls. You know guys, I'm crazy for waterfalls and also the wildlife. So भाई मजे ना पूरा आने वाला है। But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, make sure you're a part of the family. 1000 सब्सक्राइबर के मार्क पे हम लोग को साथ में पहुंचना है, तो भाई सब्सक्राइब करो ना, मतलब करो ना, करो
तो करना। परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से, ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए, करो फिर।
Without wasting much time, आप लोगों का ज़्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए, let's start with the journey right now.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life, just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Just like another season.
So that was all about the South Vlog series. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I managed to convey that vibe to you. I hope you love the vibe. With that, I sign off, but you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family. Till then, stay tuned, keep smiling, and remember, life is too short, but the motive has always been the same. जिंदगी के पन्नों पर हर दिन एक नई कहानी.
This season.